Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your Google Photos 2025 recap with CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my CapCut application. First of all, install CapCut on your phone, and then you're going to sign into CapCut with your Google account, which is related to the Google Photos. Okay, this is my account guys, and then I'm going to go to the templates. It's right here, and then you can search Google Photos. Just type in Google Photos, and then there will be recap 2025 your way. Okay, your account will be connected to your Google Photos. Okay, and this is the step. Make your 2025 recap yours. The first one, watch your recap and add your touch. You can watch your recap in Google Photos, and then you can edit it with CapCut. Then I'm going to open the Google Photos. All right, and then this is my recap. Okay, I just need to skip this recap because I've already watched this recap. Alright, and then at the end of this recap, you will see edit with CapCut, and then you're going to click on send. Okay, just wait. It's still loading guys, it takes time. Alright, and the media have been uploaded to the CapCut, and then you can choose the template. There will be some templates that you can use for your recap, and you can also replace the music. If you want to replace the music, just click on replace right here, and then you can choose the music that you like. You can also extract audio, add sounds, and it's up to you. Once you're done, you can click on export right here, and then the recap will be exported, and you can export without the watermark to remove the CapCut watermark right here. Thank you guys, and that's how you can edit your Google Photos 2025 recap with CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!